In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your availability on Acuity Scheduling in our comprehensive 2025 guide. Acuity Scheduling is a versatile tool that helps manage appointments effectively, whether you're updating your hours or adjusting availability for specific dates. These instructions will guide you through the process, ensuring your schedule reflects your current needs. Let's start by navigating to the Acuity Scheduling website. You'll need to open your web browser and head over to acuityscheduling.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner and find the Login button. Clicking this will take you to the Login page where you'll need to input your login credentials. If you frequently log in, your browser may store these details to expedite the process. Once your credentials are in, hit enter and you'll be directed to your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll find a variety of options. What we're interested in today is the availability section. Look for this option in your menu. It's where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to your availability. Click on availability and it will bring up a list of your current calendars. Here, you can select the specific calendar you wish to modify. It's important to select the correct calendar, especially if you manage multiple schedules for different services or locations. After selecting your calendar, look for the option labeled Edit Availability Limits. This section allows you to tailor your scheduling limits and availability. You'll want to highlight this section by clicking on it, which brings us to the next critical step. Adjusting your calendar scheduling limits. This is your opportunity to determine the intricacies of your schedule, how open or restricted you want your bookings to be. Next, we'll proceed to set your hours of availability. Look for the Set Hours of Availability option. This feature gives you flexibility. Maybe you want to open up specific slots for client meetings or reserve entire days for private appointments. You'll need to input the dates and times or even select entire days when you'll be available for bookings. This part is crucial for keeping your schedule optimized and ensuring you're available at the most convenient times for you and your clients. Once you've set your desired availability, make sure you save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button, typically located towards the bottom. Click it to ensure all your adjustments are successfully recorded. And there you have it. Your schedule is updated and aligned perfectly with your availability preferences. Remember that with Acuity Scheduling, you have the power to create a flexible and responsive calendar that caters to both your and your clients' needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to explore more of our guides for other helpful scheduling tips.